Alright, back repoing my bike, which is nicely taken apart. Everything is taken apart, in fact. The guy that bought it from me, that decided not to pay, says it runs no problem.
No fuel chime, no gauges.
Slightly suspicious. Get a little fuel at least. Yeah.
Clean too.
Yeah, it's probably still the same fuel. Hopefully just a dead battery. If it's not, at least it didn't take my power commander off. I did get all the plastics. Exhaust is still on. Rims are still hideous, but that's okay because we're going to fix those. Took all my tank pads off. I'm hoping he was just taking the plastics off, hoping he was going to paint this thing. If not, it's a nice ass whooping involved. Well, this may look like crap, but I got her up and running. Just a little bit of oil leaking from the front forks onto the exhaust when I transported it. But she is alive. Be thankful for small things.